Hello, this is Old Go Team Gamer, and I have something special to show you. I have just got a fidget spinner. Look at that. How long it can go for. Any day now. Someday it'll let full of spark, 'cause this will stop. Oh, stop. Okay, so we will be trying to figure out how long this fidget spinner will go. Got my brother's old tablet. Don't tell him I did this. Oh, just a classic screen. Okay. So we will be starting the timer. Yeah, you can't see. Okay. Ready, set, and go. Wait, sorry. That didn't go right. Okay. Ready, set, go. Check out these figures I got while we're waiting. Got some Minecraft. Guys. I also got some ninjas. Get these at Pizza Ranch. Okay, I give up. Still going. So, batteries. Just love batteries. We are approaching a minute. And we got 1 minute on the clock. And check out this random thing. Let's see. No. I'm running out of stuff. What do I do? Oh yeah. 2 random blocks. 2 random blocks. A pillow. Meet Mr. Pillow. Yeah. Ah. Okay. Here it goes. And 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We're on 2 minutes. That is. Now look at that time if you can see that. It's 2 minutes and 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Now that is something. Well, okay, I give up. See you later, gamers.